Yo, we got this lit beach run, bro. It's about to be mad fire. I'm gonna beat RJ because I'm faster than RJ. This is how things typically go.
And it's not even live.
Peace, bro.
Can I say something? Okay, good luck. Today's running. I'm ready for like 5-mile run. Everyone's ready. So let's do it.
Good morning, everyone. It is today, is Saturday, our first beach practice. We're about to do a 20-minute walk, run, jog, whatever you want, little warm-up, get the muscles moving. Then we're gonna do some beach and water runs, rugby ball, courtesy of Oxford, and we're ready to go.
Yeah, come on, man. Yep. Solid work. Oh, feel good, feel good.
Is this the pre-race interview?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'm gonna win whatever relay I'm on. Let's go enjoy.
I don't think that's how it works. Just getting the POV. The point of view.
Let's go over to here.
Here, well, yeah. Let's do a little combo interview. Get a clip of us.
Hello. About the swim?
We're ready to swim. I got the POV camera.
I hope it goes.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get in the way. I think I'm gonna win.
No, I'm winning.
Okay.
Because we're in the same team.
Yes.
And then you can play around in the waves for a little bit. All right, we're gonna do a run, swim, run. All right. So we have our moving buoy out there. You're gonna swim out to Sean. You're gonna swim out to Sean. You get a worm? All right. You're gonna go around that jetty. All right, that pile of rocks. That's a jetty. Are you drinking out of the bench? Come up the sand, and then you're gonna run back here, and you're gonna do 2 laps. Where there could be blind spots. All right, so don't race out into them. Okay, we don't need anybody turning an angle or anything like that. Okay, the entry in. All right, be cautious. The entry coming out, you guys should be okay. It's just the running in. We do it to see a shark. If you see a shark, wave at it and punch it in the nose. We got about 20, so we'll go in 2 heats of 10. All right, 2 heats of 10. I want you starting in the water, so you're not running in.
Oh no, we're racing. This is a race.
All right, everybody jump RJ, bro.
Means we can already run the first one. Right? Wherever Sean is,
Yeah, where is he?
go ahead.
How you feeling?
I'm done for the day. That shit hurt. This is like a higher for
Oh my god, dude. This game sucks. Why can't you just film this?